use it to teach programming to children. They'll often, they see a toy, but then, we let them play with it, but then they also will get the programming experience. All of the items in our MakerSpace, in addition to being able to be easily, played with, you can program them in advanced coding language form. It's with bright colors, and the kids really take to that.
So for the first activity, we're going to play with these little blocks, and what you do, they're called cubelets. Okay, so there's 6 in each container, and you build little robots out of these blocks. So different blocks have a different purpose. So for example, this block is the battery, so it powers the robot. Another block has wheels, so the robot can move. It can follow you, it can run away from you, depending on how you build it. So pretty neat, huh? So the black cubes are sensors, sense for different things.
And if once we finish them, we could look like on the back, and it would tell us, and we could out right there. We made this one on our own, and it looks like a tree.
Ozobots. So these are little tiny robots here. They have sensors on the bottom that read lines and read color. So what you're doing is visual programming and coding. So basically you're telling this robot what to do by different colors. So I have little cheat sheets over there that tell you what combination of colors does what. So a certain combination may make it go really fast, or it may make it go really slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That main one is the one that follows the line. And it senses the color too, because look, it's green, because your line is green. So see, red, green. This is called a Makey Makey. Has anyone ever heard of a Makey Makey? Cool, cool. So this is basically a circuit board, and you are connecting these alligator clips to it, and we're going to connect it to the computer. Okay, I have the computer set up over there, and then we're going to connect these alligator clips to Play-Doh, and we're going to play the piano on the computer with Play-Doh. How awesome is that? So you can hook this up to any conductive object. So you could hook it up to a piece of fruit or any sorts of thing. This is what's called your earth. See, you're connected to the earth. See, it says right there. So how about this? Let's do a circuit. Let's do a complete circuit here. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to hold this in that hand. Now everybody hold each other's hand. Hold each other's hand. And I want you to use that hand and touch. See? The circuit is flowing through all of you. Isn't that pretty cool? Because he's touching it, it's flowing through and it's completing the circuit. So see what different ways you can make it work, okay?
I like about the MakerSpace is that you have to interact with it, and you could touch it, and the teachers weren't doing it for you. They just told you what to do, and you had to figure it out by yourself and problem solve.
I really like doing the robots because it was just creative, and the robot does all kinds of tricks that you draw.
I have seen an amazing reaction to students as far as using the technology. Students are excited, they're smiling, they are engaged, they want to touch everything, they want to be involved in everything, and when they get that opportunity, it just it involves more learning modalities, and when you increase those learning modalities, as far as hearing it, seeing it, touching it, using it, then students generalize that information and retain it, then they can remember it for a longer amount of time.